So you've made a cool sound that you're proud of and you're ready to save your session and go watch some Vampire Diaries, right? Wrong! Sit down and take notes. I'm giving you pearls here. What if you want to reuse said sound in another project that you're working on? What if you want to add it to a sample pack that you're working on? Are you gonna scroll through the endless piles of depressingly unfinished projects trying to remember which one you made it in? No, of course not. What kind of idiot does that? No, you save it as an ALC file. By the time I'm done, you'll see things the way I see, and like me, you'll be worshipping the ALC. See what I did there? All right, let's talk business. Okay, I'm done. I promise. Step 1, destroy your entire porn collection. I'll wait. Step 2, bounce the thing to audio to save resources and better manage the sound. Yeah, but I don't know, I might want to go back and touch up on it. Done! Step 3. Go to the left-hand side and click on the ALC folder, then drag your newly made audio file into that folder. Pro tip, you can drag and save anything and its mom, including audio, MIDI, groups, or the entire fucking session. But then like, why'd you make me bounce it to audio? Step 4. Name the thing. This is the hardest part. I'm not even kidding. It's easy when you've got a near empty folder, but later on, after you've filled it with an ocean of sonic abortions that seem like they spawn straight from Skrillex's left nostril, you'll be hard-pressed to find what you want. So make sure you pick names more likely to conjure up some memories or risk trying to remember what the fuck Ogre transformation or distorted mosquito are supposed to mean. Pro tip, it auto-names it to whatever the track is named, so it's a good idea to just name your tracks to begin with to avoid faffing about with it here. And done. That is it. Nothing will ever be unrecallable again, except your porn collection.